Understanding the term pipe fitter in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very specific yet interesting term, pipe fitter. This term is not just a combination of two words, but it represents a specific profession that plays a crucial role in various industries. Whether you're learning English for work, study, or just out of interest, understanding terms like these can be incredibly useful. So, let's dive in. The term pipe fitter is a noun, and it refers to a skilled tradesperson. A pipe fitter is someone whose job involves installing, repairing, and maintaining piping systems. These systems can be found in residential homes, commercial buildings, and industrial facilities. The key skills of a pipe fitter include measuring, cutting, threading, and welding pipes made from various materials like metal or plastic. Understanding the role of a pipe fitter helps in appreciating the term's significance. Pipe fitters are essential in industries like construction, manufacturing, and shipbuilding. They work with blueprints and follow detailed instructions to ensure that pipes are correctly and safely installed. Their work is crucial for the functionality of systems like water supply, heating, and even waste disposal. Let's look at how pipe fitter is used in sentences. 1. The company hired a skilled pipe fitter to install the new heating system. 2. As a pipe fitter, John needs to be precise and careful in his work. 3. The training program for pipe fitters focuses on safety and technical skills. These examples show the term in its occupational context, emphasizing its practical use in the English language. It's also useful to know related terms. Plumber versus pipe fitter. While these terms are sometimes used interchangeably, a plumber primarily works on piping systems in homes and small buildings, focusing on water and sewage systems. A pipe fitter, however, often works on a larger scale in industrial settings. Thank you for joining me in exploring the term pipe fitter. This term is a great example of how English incorporates specific words to describe specialized professions. Understanding terms like these not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insights into different occupations and their roles in society. I hope this video has been informative and helpful in your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.